When His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum launched Dubai Economic Agenda D33, he said something that truly inspired me. He said, "We know our economic path over the next decade, and the world makes way for those who know what they want." With his powerful vision, Dubai is moving aggressively to strengthen its position as a leader in sustainable development and role model for cities worldwide. Hi, my name is Chetan Shan, and today we are discussing something truly exciting, the southern part of Dubai and its growing importance. Let me take you through a few important discussions today. I will discuss with you about the vision behind Dubai South, the top communities to watch in this area, and why Dubai South is a prime investment opportunity you don't want to miss as an investor. Let's talk about something really interesting about Dubai's real estate market and why it's been making so much noise lately. Well, Dubai's real estate market isn't just growing because people feel positive about it. Actually, it is so much more than that. There are many factors what everyone talks about: booming tourism, growing population, infrastructure, safety, security, etc. But I want you to hear this. Well, Dubai has a bold plan to grow its global trade connections by adding 400 new cities to its network. The strategy is simple and aimed to position Dubai as a key player in international trade and businesses. What does this really mean? Why is this strategy such a game changer? And most importantly, how is the southern part of Dubai going to be the next big thing in the real estate of Dubai? After Dubai's leaders has announced Dubai Economic Agenda, which is also called D33, economic stats have been showing very strong business growth. But what is D33? And why is this so important for you to know? It's a massive economy plan worth $8.7 trillion to double Dubai's foreign trade and make it one of the top 4 financial hubs in the world, right after New York, London, and Singapore. The plan is leading up to 2033, when Dubai will celebrate 200 years since it was established. Everyone across the world knows Dubai's future is looking brighter than ever, but what's a major update that's going to shape southern part of Dubai's future in a big way? What this means for investors, residents, and Dubai's future? As we dive deeper into the history, Dubai's story is nothing short of inspiring, a city that rose from the desert to become a global symbol of progress and innovation. Every few years, Dubai has shifted its focus to new areas from one land parcel to another, creating neighborhoods and landmarks that define its magnificent growth. It all started back in the 1960s when Dubai took its first step in real estate development. From Old Dubai, where iconic landmarks like Dubai International Airport and Emaar Oasis Port laid the foundation for the city's growth, and then districts like Jumeirah and Al Quds started to taking shape to establish spaces for both living and businesses. Then by early 2000 to 2010, Dubai introduced iconic developments like the Burj Al Arab, Emirates Hills, Burj Khalifa, downtown, Dubai Internet City, all setting new standards for luxury and innovation. Each development of Dubai is transforming into a global hub and seeking attention from all corners of the world. And now, the south of Dubai, a massive development with big promises for the future. If you're curious about why everyone is talking about this area, you are in the right place. The south of Dubai is the largest master plan project in the city. And for you to know, it's all about amazing returns on the investment and capital appreciation as well. Let's break it down. Back in 2004, this area was named as the Center of Tomorrow, where Dubai government announced plans to create Dubai World Central, a huge project with something for everyone. Later in 2015, Dubai World Central got a new name, Dubai South. Why? Because it wasn't just about an international airport, aviation and logistic only. The area was growing into a full-on urban community with homes, offices, shops, factories, and even recreational spots. Yes, the main highlight is Al Maktoum International Airport, which is designed to be the world's largest airport for both passengers and cargo. His Highness Sheikh Mohammed has recently approved the designs for new passenger terminal at Al Maktoum International Airport, with construction starting at a massive cost of 128 billion dirhams. This is not just big news for Dubai, it's a game changer for the UAE as a whole. Here is why. Dubai South, the city's largest urban master plan, is focused on aviation, logistics, and real estate is set to experience a huge demand for housing. Its prime location near the airport makes it a hotspot for the people and businesses. In fact, it's expected to become home to 1 million people in the coming years. This all reflects the incredible vision of our leadership, positioning Dubai as a global leader in aviation. The government's goal is to solidify Dubai's reputation as the aviation capital of the world. The projects like the Expo 2020 has really boosted Dubai's South reputation as a global hotspot for business, tourism, and innovation. And let's not forget, Expo 2020 wasn't just any event. It welcomed more than 25 million visitors from around the world. But what is even more exciting is what happened after Expo 2020 was over. Instead of just leaving the site as it is, government decided to turn it into something amazing, a whole new community. Yes, government incorporated the Expo's pavilion and infrastructure to create a vibrant areas that is full of life and opportunity. South of Dubai has very strong impact on the economy, with key players like Maktoum International Airport, Jebel Ali Free Zone, Expo 2020, and the port. Every part of Dubai South is driving growth. This region is becoming an economic powerhouse. Dubai South is creating thousands of jobs and set to contribute 35% of the GDP to Dubai's economy. You know, it's not just about big numbers. It's about how this area is shaping the future of Dubai. It is growing consistently and creating endless opportunities as an investment for you in residential projects, commercial projects, and multiple other line of businesses as well. Currently, the population of southern part of Dubai is at approximately 250,000, but it is set to grow at around 1 million residents in the coming years. Along with this growth, the area is expected to generate over 500,000 jobs, creating a thriving business ecosystem supported by more than 5,000 companies. As per the available database, by the end of 2021, Dubai South already had 20,848 employees. Its location near Abu Dhabi, the UAE's capital, opens doors for tourism, trade, and employment. And with the upcoming Etihad Rail project, the area will offer seamless connectivity across the UAE and GCC countries, making it a hotspot for business and residents. At the heart of Dubai South, Al Maktoum International Airport is capable of handling 260 million passengers and 16 million tons of cargo annually. This makes it a hub of aviation, logistics, and trade, offering massive potential for businesses and investors. And then there is a JAFZA Jebel Ali Free Zone, a flagship free zone by DP World. Starting with just 19 companies in 1985, it grew to over 500 by 1995. And as of now today, it's home to more than 9,500 businesses, including over 100 Fortune Global 500 companies. This growth is driven by its central location, with its proximity to Jebel Ali Port, Al Maktoum International Airport, and the legacy of Expo 2020 Dubai. Then there is the Bharat Mart, $100 billion India-UAE trade agreement. It is a part of the Make in India and D33 initiative. Over 1,500 showrooms expected to open in 2026. This is an A-grade warehouse, a retail ecosystem, opening doors for Indian traders and suppliers to access Middle Eastern, African, and European markets through streamlined logistics. This project is highly anticipated and promising an old trade partnership between UAE and India. This has already caused a surge in demand, with the warehouse's rents in JAFZA jumping by 26% annually, reaching an average of 365 dirhams per square meters. To meet the demand, Dubai South and Aldar are developing Grade A logistic facilities spanning over 24,000 square meters, set to be completed by year-end. With its 8 interconnected districts, combining residential, commercial, logistic, aviation, businesses, humanitarian, exhibition, and golf district zones, Dubai South stands out as a visionary urban development for real estate investors. It's more than just a promising location. It has literally positioned itself as an ideal hub of global trade and business growth. And everyone knows that globally, airports have been transforming areas into vibrant economic zones. often called as airport cities or aerotropolises. Leading examples like Amsterdam, Singapore, and Denver have turned their surroundings into thriving hubs with hotels, office parks, shopping centers, and even tourist attractions. Now, let's explore why this matters for real estates. Airports are more than just travel hubs. They are a major boost to both commercial and residential real estate. Why? Because real estate thrives where connectivity is strong. Whenever a new airport is announced, it's often a game changer. Land prices near the site massively rise as these projects create a ripple effect. Improved connectivity brings in tourists, creates jobs, and increases housing demand. Even hotels, malls, and restaurants pop up to serve travelers and businesses, making the area even more appealing. With all this development, properties near airport become hotspot for investment. Strong infrastructure, great social amenities, and rising demand make these areas perfect for capital appreciation with healthy returns. Whether you are looking at residential or commercial real estate, it is clear that investing around airport is always a smart move. It's where connectivity meets opportunity and real estate around truly flourishes. So being an investor, you must be thinking, who are the big names shaping the south of Dubai? Let me take you through the projects you should understand before investing in Dubai South. Visionaries like Emaar, Nakheel, Dubai Holdings, Dubai South itself, and Expo City Dubai are leading the way. They are joined by other key players like Majid Al Futtaim, Aldar, and Damak, and there are a few other private developers as well. Now, let's take a look at the current and upcoming communities in the south of Dubai, starting with the existing ones. What's already driving opportunities for investors in this thriving region? Palm Jebel Ali, a second largest man-made island in the world by Nakheel, the same developer who has developed Palm Jumeirah, Dubai Island, and the World Islands. It's a $2 billion futuristic waterfront development located in the southern coastal district of Dubai. It's a part of Urban 2040 master plan focused by the government of Dubai. It would be closer to Dubai South area, 25 minutes to Al Maktoum International Airport, 20 minutes to Expo City. Palm Jebel Ali is designed like a palm tree, similar as Palm Jumeirah, but bigger and double the size of Palm Jumeirah. It is spanning over 13.4 square kilometers, twice the size of Palm Jumeirah. This ambitious luxury waterfront living project will add 110 kilometers of coastal line to Dubai and feature over 80 hotels and resorts, setting a new global benchmark for waterfront communities. It is consist of trunk, fronts, and both sides, a spine running through the middle, and crescent wrapping around. The difference here is that the Nakheel has planned the space between the fronts more carefully, making the waterfront experience feel more open. The crescent will have direct beach access and to make a movement smoother. There are 3 main entry and exit points for hassle-free connectivity. When Nakheel launched Palm Jebel Ali almost a year ago, they released 5 and 6 bedroom beachfront villas starting at around 18 million dirhams. Then there were 6 and 7 bedroom villas which were starting at 31 to 32 million dirhams, and plots at the top of the fronts which ranged between 38 to 68 million dirhams. Since then, Nakheel has continued launching new phases, and with the latest release, 5 and 6 bedroom villas were priced from 20 to 24 million dirhams, and everything launched so far has been sold out. If you're thinking about investing in Palm Jebel Ali, now might be the time to look into the next phase. Let me know if you want details and I will guide you through the best options available. Next is Expo City Dubai. Close proximity to Al Maktoum International Airport, Expo City is one of the most futuristic, promising investment opportunity from the government of Dubai itself. If you have been following Dubai's transformation, you already know that Expo 2020 has completely changed the dynamics of Dubai South. It is designed to be a car-free city, making it super pedestrian-friendly and environmentally sustainable, where 25 to 30% of the area is dedicated to parks and mini nature reserve, giving it one of Dubai's highest green space ratio. But what really makes this area more promising is the government's vision and a ready futuristic infrastructure. Wasl Dome, which is the main attraction at the center, It has a ready metro station, Dubai Exhibition Center, and World Trade Center hosting all government and other global events. With entertainment zone, cultural events, shopping, dining, and much more. It is set to become a must-visit destination for tourists visiting Dubai. Most importantly, Expo City is already home to some of the biggest companies in the world like Siemens, Nestle, DP World, Emirates Airlines, Terminus, and many others. That means more jobs, more opportunities, and more reasons why this area is future. Expo City offers you apartments, townhouses, and the villas. And Expo apartments are most centrally located near to the exciting attractions, retails, and businesses with spacious layouts, and comes with a post-handover payment plan. So you can move in and pay for your home over a time. Prices are starting from 1,800 to 2,400 dirhams per square feet. If you're interested in this, you can buy 950 square feet of one bedroom starting from just 1.9 million dirhams. Wherein two-bedroom apartment with the size of 1,300 square feet starting from approx 2.6 million dirhams, and three-bedroom with the size of 1,700 square feet starting from approx 3.3 million dirhams. Also has lofts and penthouses as well. And the next exciting community is from Emaar, the Oasis. This ultra-luxury lagoon community spans over 9.7 square kilometers, and it is truly next-level community from Emaar. Other than standard amenities like swimming pools, sports, and leisure, this community has more than you can imagine. Approx 2 square kilometers of water body with massive blue lagoon, beaches, 54 kilometers of cycling track, jogging trails with world-class facilities. It is designed for the high net worth individuals and going to be one of the most exclusive community of the future in Dubai. Let me tell you what makes it unique. Around 25% of the area is dedicated to the green parks and open spaces. Every villa is surrounded by stunning views of massive lagoon, water canal, and open parks. Emaar is historically known for developing best communities and maintaining those. For an example, Emirates Hills Living, Dubai Hills Estate, Arabian Ranches, these are the legacies. So you can imagine when Emaar says it's going to be the ultra-luxury community, what is it going to be like? Starting from approx 12 million dirhams, Emaar is offering the largest 4, 5, 6, and 7-bedroom villas and mansions where the plot sizes are available from 8,000 to 35,000 square feet with the built-up area of 6,000 to 25,000 square feet, with the price ranging between 1,500 to 1,600 dirhams per square foot. This project is still in its initial phase, and historically, Emaar always keeps the margin for their investors whenever they launch any new community. And believe me, every time Emaar launches anything in the Oasis, sells out in a snap of fingers. That's why I make sure that my investors or end-use home buyers are prepared well in advance. If you're planning to invest in the Oasis, please make sure you clear your doubts and inquiries, understand everything you would want to know before the time, so that as soon as new cluster launches, I could secure the units for you. Next is Discovery Dunes. You might have not heard about this name before, but let me tell you, this is another one of the most exclusive community in Dubai South. Right opposite to Emaar South, you have a Discovery Dunes. It is the first members-only luxury residential community and have chosen Dubai as their first development in the region. It is founded in 1994 by Michael S. Meldman. Discovery Land Company has built over 35 high-end private residential communities across the USA, Latin America, Europe, and the Caribbean. These guys are really huge and known for the celebrity luxury lifestyle communities in the world of real estate. Their star-studded clientele, business tycoons, Hollywood stars, and global icons like Tom Brady, Michael Jordan, Justin Timberlake, Bill Gates, and many others own properties in their communities. Discovery Dunes is bringing a celebrity living luxury lifestyle community located in the Gulf District. This project is approx 2.5 square kilometers of golf course community with exclusive lifestyle like no other. What do you think about having such a unique private community in Dubai? As an investor, it is very important for you to understand why Discovery Land has chosen Dubai South. The answer is simple. It is advanced infrastructure, proximity to Al Maktoum International Airport, and spaces for premium developments highlights the government's vision to elevate this area to the next level. Next, Dubai South and Emaar South. So further south, a residential community developed by Dubai South, which is part of the Dubai Aviation Corporation. It is the same entity who manage the nearby Al Maktoum International Airport. Adding even more value to the area, it is divided into two main neighborhoods. The first offers the townhouses and semi-detached villas for affordable living. Then there is a South Bay, a new off-plan community that's centered around lagoon, a feature that is becoming super popular in modern developments. With its premium vibe, it is selling at approx 1300 to 1800 dirhams per square feet. Currently, South Bay is selling in apartments from approx 1.1 million dirhams. And on the other side, we have Emaar South, located right across from Al Maktoum International Airport, spanning over 7 square kilometers. This is a 18-hole championship premium golf course community similar as Dubai Hills Estate. When the townhouses and the villas were launched off-plan in 2019, prices were unbelievably low, featuring semi-detached villas, standalone villas, and even apartments all surrounding the golf course, wherein the prices are starting from 1200 to 1400 dirhams per square feet. Currently, Emaar is selling apartments here starting from approx 1.1 million dirhams, and due to its attractive price, it gets sold in one day because investors know it has a good capital growth potential. I'll tell you one thing, Emaar is going absolutely bullish in Dubai South. And trust me, it's very exciting. I will tell you why. While expanding their portfolio with the residential and commercial projects, including Dubai Expo Mall, which is set to be a game changer for the area, Emaar has recently launched Terra Heights Apartments located right next to Expo Mall and Ready Metro Station, where you can buy one-bedroom apartment of approx 750 square feet from 1.54 million dirhams and two-bedroom apartments of 1,050 square feet area from approx 2.1 million dirhams. These prices are incredible. Considering the location and the all upcoming infrastructure of Expo City Dubai, this is amazing opportunity. Emaar has also announced 2 new communities of townhouses and villas in Dubai South area. I'm excited and waiting for the more details to be released officially, but it is clear that this area is going to have a massive residential demand. Here is why this matters for every real estate investor. There is no doubt about the land prices, and construction cost is going to be on the rise in 2025 due to corporate tax and contracting companies' demands. Developers are shifting their focus to places like Dubai South because these areas offer better value, modern lifestyle amenities, and innovative housing options to meet growing demand. Plus, with the update of UAE Golden Visa requirements, properties priced around 2 to 3 million dirhams give buyers the chance to qualify for a long-term residency. That's a huge bonus for investors and end users both. At last, Dubai's real estate market 2024. Let me give you easy breakdown. It's been absolutely buzzing with the launches and activities. Here is why. Dubai recorded a whopping 168,351 number of off-plan property transactions in 2024, worth 522 billion dirhams. That's approx 34% increase compared to last year. Pretty impressive, right? Compared to year 2023, in the year 2024, averaging apartment prices of 1.8 billion dirhams with approx 23.6% price increased. Comparing villas and townhouses with 31.6% price increase and overall average of the independent villas price hitting at 10.7 million dirhams. Well, that's a clear sign that demand for luxury home is still going strong. Here is something exciting for investors. The average price per square foot for apartment is 1600 dirhams to 5000 dirhams depending upon the location and the community. While villas and townhouses, it's just 1500 dirhams per square foot. That's still super competitive compared to global cities like New York or London, Singapore or Hong Kong, where the prices are way higher, and it's clear that these are absolutely heading towards 2000 dirhams per square feet. It's not just about real estate. Dubai's tourism is booming too. The city welcomed about 16.8 million tourist visitors till November 2024, which is 9% increase compared to November 2023. According to Dubai's Department of Tourism, there is a massive visitor increase from Western Europe and South Asia. This helped boost in demand for short-term rentals and drove even more interest in property investments. Tourism has also helped boost the hotel market, with average daily rates climbing to $235 and revenue per available room increasing to $190, both up by 6% year-on-year basis. As per KPMG's Destination Dubai report, 66% of global high net worth individuals are looking to buy second homes in Dubai. That's a huge indicator of the city's reputation as a top-tier real estate and lifestyle destination. Dubai's prime residential market is expected to experience continued growth in 2025, driven by the lack of prime supply and the demand from the key source markets such as China and India. But what makes Dubai stand out? A perfect mix of affordability, luxury, and a lifestyle that keeps attracting global investors, and it's no surprise that Dubai is one of the top spots of the real estate investments in the world. However, the key question remains, which of these neighborhoods offers the highest rental returns, which are the areas set to grow most in value and capital appreciation? This is where my expertise comes into play. I'm here to help you to navigate these opportunities, providing you insights and guidance to make the informed and profitable investment decisions in this dynamic real estate market. Reach out to me today to secure your preferred investment choice. Let's discuss your options and find out the perfect investment opportunity for you. Thank you for your time and attention. Stay tuned for more updates. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This is Chetan Shan, signing off.